Whenever I was serving in the Air Force, I was stationed in Montana. My job was patrolling the nuclear weapon fields up there. And one day while I was on duty, I was involved in a Humvee rollover. And results from the accident was I fractured my C4 through C6 vertebrae, resulting in me becoming a quadriplegic. Initially, whenever I was in ICU trying to recover from my surgery, I couldn't move anything. I could just move my neck, and then slowly I was able to gain some function back on my left arm. A little bit of wrist function. Still can't do anything with my fingers or anything, and it caused me to rely heavily on someone to do simple tasks like brushing teeth, feeding, grooming, turning channel on the TV, switching on light switches, just constant need of just doing real simple things.
Right, you're dependent on other people for that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with this new automation, you've had this already installed for a week already. How has this helped you? How has it helped your attitude? Emotionally also. What kind of things have you got out of a smart home?
Well, just simple things like turning on a ceiling fan. Because being a quadriplegic, you can't control. How hot or how cold you get.
And with a smart home, having everything automatic, like your lights, thermostat, televisions, music, ceiling fans, now you can kind of just talk to it in natural voice and have it do its thing for you, right?
Yes, sir. It's made me feel a lot more independent. Just flipping through channels in between ball games. If I wanted to have some music going on in the background, I can just talk to the system, and it just gives me a lot of different opportunities to be able to do things that I couldn't before.
Great. And how reliable so far has the system been in doing things like changing channels on your TV or turning lights on and off?
It's been good. We've had a few questions, but they're easily fixable. Y'all walked us through it. So
is the system pretty much something that most people would have no problem controlling in their house, whether they were a newbie to technology or a seasoned tech guy? Anybody can just pretty much start using the smart home and helping them out. Would you say that?
Yeah, it's very simple. Just gotta remember the commands, but y'all made it real beneficial of printing out a sheet of all the commands and just remembering it.
All right, so let's kind of put the system to the test. All right, so why don't you give it a few commands? Tell it to turn on the TV.
Alexa, turn on DirecTV.
Okay.
Alexa,
But according to Eileen,
tell Harmony change
Jasmine
channel
said
to
when they
1-2.
time she got pregnant. Watch what happened.
I just want to know now if there's connection with.
Turn on living room fan.
Okay.
Nice. Let's do, tell it to turn off living room lights. Okay?
Alexa, turn off living room lights.
Okay,